welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Jazzie, and if you're a returning viewer, thanks for tuning in for today's video. In this video, I want to come on my channel and do an unboxing for you all on Hanogram phone cases. Now, this isn't the first time I've ordered from Hanogram. This is actually the second time. I did purchase from them earlier this year, and I wanted to come on my channel and share with you guys why I went ahead and decided to pick up some more phone cases and why I personally like these cases over any other cases I've tried, especially like little cheap cases. So if you guys are interested to see what items I picked up or learn more about Hanogram itself, make sure you guys stay tuned for the video. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button right down there. It would really warm my heart to have one more subscriber. And while you're at it, go ahead and hit that notification bell so every time I upload a video, you won't miss out on any of my content. All right, without further ado, let's just go ahead and jump right into the unboxing. So like I shared with you guys, this isn't my first time ordering from Hanogram. I actually ordered 3 cases earlier this year from them, and I love their cases, you guys. For one, they are impact friendly. I dropped my phone so many times, you guys, to the point where I have to have a glass screen protector on my phone, because if not, my phone would be shattered, literally. So when I picked up this case, I wasn't really expecting much, but I did realize once I dropped my phone a few times, I turned the back over to just look at my case one day, and I seen it had so many cracks on it, and I absolutely love this case, you guys. This is the one I've been rocking. It says Jazzie JT on it. It's floral. I love the fact that they have customization on their cases, which you guys will see on the new ones I picked up. All of my phone cases have my name on them. I know, so crazy, girl, but I am a little obsessive. I feel like if I ever lose my phone in like the airport or something, or in Starbucks, or just anywhere in general, people will be able to find my phone because it says Jazzie JT on it. I don't know, it's crazy, but that's the reasoning behind why I get my name on my phone cases. But again, I like these cases because they are glass on the back, and the back is like shattered. So when I seen the back had cracks on it, I knew right then and there it was time for me to pick up some new cases. But one thing that I really do like about these cases, even though they're glass and they can break, they do withstand impact. Like the back of my phone has no cracks on it, especially after I've dropped my case. And like I shared with you guys, even though it's cracked, the cracks aren't like lifting up, they're not coming out. Pieces of glass doesn't like cut my fingers when I'm on the phone or anything like that. So that's really cool. So I did want to share this case with you guys. This has actually been my favorite case. I've been rocking this case for like the last 3 months. I love this case so much, you guys. I really wish I would have reordered the case, but I know, you guys, that's like so crazy. Like, who orders the same thing twice? So I wanted to come on my channel and just share with you guys some different options to showcase what other products Hanogram has on their website. Now, I have an iPhone 8, but they do have cases for iPhones, Samsungs as well, and I believe Google phones too. The cases that I pick up for the iPhone 8, they retail for $35. I'm not sure if that's their standard price for all of their cases, but for my phone in particular, they retail for $35, which can be a little on the pricier side, but it's definitely worth it. When I was growing up and I had the iPhone 4, I believe outer boxes were like $65. I'm not too sure, but they also were high impact friendly to your phone, but they were kind of bulky, and that's something that I really like about Hanogram. And even though the phone cases are slim and slender, they fit your phone like a glove, they are high impact friendly. So again, I drop my phone quite often, you guys, and for the back of the case to be like damaged and not my phone in general, I'm so happy, because if you guys don't know, Apple just came out with like this new rule where you can't go to a third party to get your screen fixed. If you crack it, you actually have to have Apple Care, and you have to go to a technician to get it fixed, which is so crazy, because you guys know how much it costs to get your screen fixed if you've ever broken one. And like I shared with you guys, I've been an iPhone user since they had the iPhone 4, so I've definitely had to get my screen replaced a few times, and it has not been cheap. So I'm just gonna go ahead and share with you guys the new phone cases I picked up, because I am obsessed, literally obsessed. So I never knew that I was a floral type of girl until I realized majority of the phone cases I like to rock are floral phone cases, especially from Hanogram, which is so crazy because they have some really cute designs in their floral section that can kind of look granny-ish, but once you get them in person, they look really cute. At least to me, they do. I really wish I would have ordered more floral cases like I shared with you guys before. If I could go back and do it all over again, I would go ahead and order the exact same phone case I purchased, the Jazzie JT pink one. This phone case is so cute. I love it so much. Once you order your case, it comes in a box like this, and on the back it says made to order, your unique case. It says we hope you enjoy your shopping experience with us, and please don't hesitate to reach out to our customer service should there be any questions, concerns, or obligations. And then it has their Instagram handle, their Facebook handle, and then their website, which is www.hanogram.com. Now this is what the first phone case looks like that I picked up. It is so freaking cute, you guys. Floral, of course, and it says Jazzie on it. So cute. I love the fact that it says Jazzie on it. It's so cute. It has some deep hues of purple in it, but it also has some 3D dimensions to it. It has light purple, dark purple. Overall, really cute. The next case I picked up from Hanogram is this galaxy-like phone case. Now, when I picked this up online, it looked more vibrant than what it is in person. I really wish I would have returned it for like another floral phone case, but I really do like this one. One day I will use it, but I'm not too sure if that day is now because I'm so obsessed with that floral case. Both floral cases I'm still obsessed with. So yeah, I do like this case a lot. It's cute, but like I said to you guys, online the colors look way more vibrant than they are in person. So that's something you kind of want to keep in mind when you're ordering off their website. The last case I picked up off their website is also something that looked more vibrant than what it is in person. And it's this initial phone case. It just has my initial on it, and then it says J at the bottom. It's cute, don't get me wrong, but on the website, the colors looked almost neon-like, and in person, they just look a little subtle. They're really cute, but honestly, my favorite case out of all three would definitely hands down have to be the floral one. It's just so adorable, but all three of the cases are glass backs, and they do come with bumpers on the sides. So those are the cases that I picked up from Hanogram. Like I shared with you guys, I think I like the floral one better. Out of all three, I really do like that one, but I also do like the other two. I definitely will be rocking this one because it's mainly black with just you know, colorful J on it. But I'm not too sure when I will rock this Galaxy case with my name on the bottom. I'm not too sure, but if you guys are interested in checking out any of Hanogram's phone cases, then make sure you guys check the description box below because they have so many different collections. They offer customization on most of their cases, I believe, but they also do have some phone cases that are like prints. They have some that are lifestyle. They have some for pets, photography. They have pretty much a case for everyone. So make sure you guys go ahead and check the description box down below, as I will have all their information listed down there. And I'll catch you guys in my next video.